Hi guys, it's Chantale from Page Café. I just wanted to show you guys or do a quick little video on excuse me, Angie at the Mountain Girl Studio, I believe is her name on YouTube, and I will put all of her links below as well. She's doing a fun giveaway on her channel, and you had to use one of her digitals, so I was excited to get one of her digitals, and I got this beautiful green and kind of blue and gold and whites. They're mixed media, they're like a background, so it's super cool to play with. This is what I've got left over. I'm probably gonna keep making fun things with these leftovers. The fun thing about digitals is that you can print it over and over again. So I've printed these on Epson premium matte paper presentation. It's a matte color, so they're all the background. So I'm just going to show you what I've created. These can be used in so many ways. You could definitely make like a cover, or so many different things will come to mind. Anyways, I just wanted to kind of show you real quick that I wanted the green because I wanted to play with it with Christmas, because I know like I'm doing a couple things for Christmas and I wanted to play around with that. So that's why I wanted the green. But if you can see right here, it is not Christmas. It's Edith Holden and some butterflies, and it works beautifully. Like, I just happened to have this sheet of paper nearby and I thought, oh, how cool is that? I love it. So you can definitely use it for many things. So this is that one. And then let's show you. Oh, and it's been stitched around and I inked around it. I was going to do a craft along with me, but I was having issues with my cat. He kept jumping on my table. Anyways, so I just decided to just finish them because it's getting late and just show you guys what I created. So this guy is layered tag. It has a little key at the top with the 2 holes with the little bow. There's a little collage right here. It is a pocket. So there's collage here. This is a beautiful paper. This is a pocket. I just collaged a couple pictures. Right here is a little kind of belly band with the special delivery. It's a little tag. Sorry, my cats are, I just heard some noise. It's my cats. They're just being silly tonight. I'm not sure why. So I've got a couple little ephemeras in here. There's a card that I just love the pattern, so I decided to put it on there. It's just a plain card. And then there's a couple little ephemera there as well. And then this one has 2 little pockets. This little piece of paper here is a pocket. I was going to put a little label down here, but I didn't. Anyways, there's a couple little bits in there. And right here, this is a scrap that I decided to just punch the sides, and it became a ticket with her scraps. So this is also her digital, our mixed media digital. So definitely, like, they make beautiful, you can make all kinds of stuff with it. And then I made 3 tags that go inside the big tag. It will be backed with tea-dyed paper as well, so I can stick it into a journal. There's this one. They'll be all kind of the same. And then I've got a little collage of this little tag, goes in there. And here's her little bits of mixed media digital paper at the bottom right there. I used the little scraps that I had. And then on this tag, I just put it in the back of the label. So the dark green is her digital as well. There's a little bit of glue there. What the heck? It's not coming off. There. sorry. And then I've got a little Christmas stamp, some vintage ledger paper, grid paper, and then just a scrapbook paper that I will ink up a little bit, probably a little bit more. And then it just becomes a fun little, you could even send it as a Happy Mail, or as whatever you want to use it, really. There's so many different ways, and it's getting caught. I was just thinking the staples, that was very clever of me to put staples in there. But anyways, so yeah, so those are my 3 little projects or little things that I have done with Angie's Beautiful Digital. So I hope that you go check her out. I will have all of her links below, and I hope that you guys are all well. So this is just a quick little video just to show you guys what I created, and yeah, and also to let you know about Angie's lovely digitals. I will probably use them again. They are beautiful, and I hope that you guys are well. I think I already said that. I will talk to you guys soon. Bye for now.